Hi, Todd Warren here at the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like smooth sailing for the most part for the next several days. One thing to point out to you is some high clouds. That's something we'll see quite a bit of tonight, tomorrow, and those clouds will finally move out as we go through tomorrow night. So let's take a look at, first of all, the overall weather pattern here, and you can see the upper level moisture kind of sitting over the western sections of Texas in response to this disturbance, which is now over the desert southwest. This is the moisture which is going to be moving our way here during the next 24 to 36 hours. So let's show you that with a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast. And you can see that tonight we will see the high clouds continue to thicken up just a bit, increasing in numbers. Tomorrow we might see the clouds a little bit thicker, so we'll see a partly cloudy sky for tomorrow. Tomorrow night those clouds will begin to depart the area, and then Wednesday, we'll see lots of sunshine, and we will continue the warming trend. In fact, temperatures more than 10 degrees above normal by the time we get to the weekend. Here's a look at the overall pattern here, and we will see some changes. Again, several days of dry weather will give way to several days of wet weather, the way it shapes up right now. And you can see the upper level ridge kind of moving into the southeastern sections of the country by the time we get to the end of the week. That's what's going to allow us to warm up. We do have a lot of troughiness here across the west. That's going to set up this southwesterly flow, which will begin to give us a shot for some rain, maybe as soon as Saturday. Perhaps the heaviest chance of heaviest thunderstorm activity could be late Sunday and Sunday night. Severe weather could be on the table. It's a bit early to kind of project as to the extent of any threat. And some models do indicate the off and on chance of rain could continue through much of next week, the way it checks out right now. And if you add up all that rainfall, pretty good agreement in the models here that we have a decent shot anywhere in the Arkansas, Texas, seeing at least an inch of rain from this weekend through next week. It is possible that we could see spots receive anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain, which of course would be good news considering we do still have drought conditions across much of the area. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a high clouds, pretty good deck of high clouds move over the Arkansas. Call it partly cloudy as temperatures will not be as cold. We'll see lows in the low to middle 30s, including 36 in both Texarkana and Shreveport. Tomorrow, expect a partly cloudy sky with quite a few high clouds. Temperatures will continue the warming trend as we'll warm into the upper 60s across the vast majority of the area. 68 in Shreveport, 69 for the high tomorrow in Texarkana. And your 10-day forecast shows that warming trend will continue along with the dry weather through Friday, as we'll see the chance of rain return Saturday, probably reach its peak late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday, when some thunderstorms that could be strong will be possible. The warmest day looking to be Sunday, as we very well could make it to the low 80s, and then we'll see the cooler air return by the middle part of next week. Basically, pretty close to normal Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with highs in the low to middle 60s. Overnight lows, again 30s tonight, back to the 60s by this weekend. Should retreat back to the 40s by the middle part of next week. So all in all, it does look as if we will see the continuation of the dry weather here for the next few days. But the chance of rain will begin as soon as Saturday and very well could continue through much of next week.